Business intelligence, or BI, is the process of gathering, analyzing, and using data to help businesses make better decisions. Think of it as turning raw data into useful information that can guide a company's strategy, operations, and overall performance. BI typically involves several key components. First, there's data collection. This can come from a variety of sources, such as sales reports, customer interactions, or market trends. Companies gather this data to get a clear picture of how they are performing and where improvements can be made. Once the data is collected, the next step is analyzing it. This is where advanced tools come in. Business intelligence software uses techniques like data mining, statistical analysis, and predictive analytics to find patterns or trends in the data. For example, a company might use BI to understand customer preferences, predict future sales, or identify areas where costs can be reduced. One of the most important aspects of BI is presenting the findings in an understandable way. Dashboards and reports are often used to display the data visually. This helps decision makers quickly grasp insights, like which products are selling well or where operations need attention. The goal of business intelligence is to improve decision making. With the right insights, companies can become more efficient, competitive, and profitable. It helps them stay ahead of trends, solve problems faster, and make informed choices that lead to success. Business intelligence isn't just for big companies, it's useful for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, BI tools can help you turn data into a powerful asset. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.